13 years old ata ako noon. Natatandaan ko nung nabully ako. Ayoko na maglaro, ayoko na mag-aral. Yung ganon.
During one day, I landed badly on my left leg. So I tore my ACL and MCL, so I had to stop playing for 9 months.
Yung ate ko, namatay siya nung last year. Kapag nagkakaroon ako ng problema, siya laging naiisip ko. Kumbaga, siya yung naging coach.
Wala yung pamilya ko, every time I study, every opportunity na meron ako, wala sila.
I've heard a lot that, oh, she's too slow, she doesn't jump high enough. That people can say a lot of mean things that they don't know really affects us a lot more personally.
There will always be people that will tell me that I'm too big-headed, I'm too bastos. Even that word actually medyo hits me when they say I'm bastos thinking.
Katawan ko, sobrang taba ko. So, iisipin mo na lang kung paano i-inspire yung sarili mo na ganito yung idolo mo, kung ganito yung katawan mo.
Ang pinakamasakit na line is wala ka ng future sa volleyball. Whew!
Sabi nga nila, play hard, siguro train harder. Talaga, honestly, ang punan ko bilang sa atleta is hard work. Kasi, hindi naman tayo nabibigyan lahat ng skills at talent na katulad ng binibigay natin sa iba. Kailangan mong mag-double time or maging masipag para lumabas yung hidden talent mo or natatago mo galing sa larangan.